Good Monday morning, everyone. It is May 11th, 2020. And I know that there are buses rolling to DC right now. Those from the West Coast started leaving last week, and many from the Midwest left today. And this is all for the Buses Move America, Motorcoaches Rolling for Awareness. And they are congregating in DC on Wednesday, May 13th, to show how strong we are and ask Congress to set aside some funding specifically for the motorcoach industry, because as a transportation sector, we have been left out of any funding that has been done in previous packages, where airlines, Amtrak, public transit have all received some funding. So we are asking them to recognize us. And to be recognized, that is why the rally is rolling. John is actually on his way in a vehicle, not a car, or not a bus, and he's meeting up with his longtime partner, friend, David James in Ohio, and they will ride together in a big bus, so plenty of distance between them, as they go on that journey. So while we don't have a bus rolling, we do have John going. And I just wanted to actually say a prayer for those that are rolling. And I have found through the years that a prayer that Jabez prayed has brought me a lot of blessings. And so I want to bless this trip right now with this prayer. Oh, that you would bless me indeed and enlarge my territory, that your hand would be with me, and that you would keep me from evil, that I may not cause harm. So just instead of the me's and my's, we can put in the motorcoach industry. Oh Lord, that you would bless the motorcoach industry indeed and enlarge our territory, that your hand would be with us and that you would keep us from evil, that we may not cause pain. Because we are looking forward to the times when we can roll and we can start bringing in that tax revenue and start jump-starting the economy and sharing experiences with everyone. And yes, you can see that I had a little video bomber in this video. I didn't know enlarging my territory would be going back to teaching during all of this, but it has happened. And so I wish you the best, and I have put this in a video because now every time it's played, that prayer has been said twice, to bless our motor coaches that are on this journey. Have a great day. Thank you.